Are you ready to step into the world of AI and data science? Become a certified data scientist in just 6 months with this industry-aligned, instructor-led program. Data science is transforming industries worldwide. This course covers everything from machine learning and deep learning to computer vision, NLP, generative AI, and reinforcement learning. Gain hands-on experience in cutting-edge AI applications and real-world projects. This course isn't just about learning theories. Work on real-world AI projects with live coding sessions, ensuring hands-on experience in building industry-ready models. Start by mastering Python programming, the fundamental language for data science. Dive deep into supervised and unsupervised learning, understanding techniques such as regression, classification, and clustering. Explore neural networks and deep learning, including advanced architectures such as CNNs, RNNs, LSTMs, and GRUs. Build AI-powered applications in computer vision and NLP and learn about generative AI and GANs to create synthetic data and AI-generated content. Beyond technical skills, this course ensures career readiness with comprehensive career guidance, resume reviews, and mock interview sessions, preparing you for the industry and increasing your chances of landing your dream job. This 6-month instructor-led training program is designed to help you master data science from the ground up. With live projects and industry case studies, apply what you learn in real-world scenarios. Follow a structured hands-on learning approach, actively building AI models instead of just learning concepts. Benefit from expert mentorship with career support and interview preparation to stand out in the competitive job market. Your journey to becoming a certified data scientist starts now. Enroll today and transform your future.